I want to share with you the most important lessons I have learned from my father during this phenomenal journey. The first lesson is courage. Whenever you do anything big, you do feel a little scared. But you've got to conquer fear to discover the hidden hero within you. With courage, with self-belief, and the can-do spirit, you overcome any adversity. साहस एक ऐसी ताकत है जिससे डर को भी डर लगता है. Therefore, I want today's young leaders at Reliance to realize that achieving your potential is the quest of the ordinary. Conquering the impossible is your destiny. The second lesson I have learned is feel empathy. Empathy means caring and sharing with every human being in our organization and the world at large. The more we care, the higher we grow as human beings. I understand empathy as dil ki daulat. It is the wealth of your heart. The more you spend it on others, the more wealthy you become. The third lesson I have learned is to have absolute faith in technology and talent. In every business we have started, we have always embraced the latest technology and have attracted the best talent.
More than advice, I'll share what I have learned. I think advice to an entrepreneur is not appropriate. So I can only share, like, the first piece was really taught to me by my father in terms of saying that. So he says, and he first gave me when I had just come back from Stanford Business School. So I said, what is going to be my job? Please describe what do I do now?
Roles and responsibilities.
In terms of roles and responsibilities, absolutely. So he says, Acha, am I giving you if you're a job, then you're a manager, right? If you're an entrepreneur, you'll figure out what you want to do. So I'm not going to tell you anything, figure out what you want to do. Right? The second piece that I think I learned is that as an entrepreneur, it's very important to find a problem that you want to solve, that you are passionate about. Right? There is no, and this is the same thing that, in fact, Professor Sharma at UDCT, I was blessed to have him. He'd always say that I am not going to give you a list of problems and then you can go and work on anything. You find a problem. And then I will grade you on the quality of the problem that you find, and then I'll grade you on the quality of solution that you actually do. Failures are normal, right? With all the success that one sees, people, even in my own case, don't see how many times I have failed before I succeed. So they are just a step before you succeed. So never get disheartened by failures. Learn from them, but never give up. An entrepreneur is always positive. He's an optimist, and he proves, there are lots of cynics, lots of negative people around, but an entrepreneur spreads positive energy. That's really what I have learned.
The way I think about these things is I really have my father as my role model, and he started off with nothing. And one of the things that he said to me is that you really don't know, Mukesh, what it is to be poor. Okay? And make sure that you maintain everybody's self-respect. So when you give, people hold their hand on this basis. Don't give on that basis, right? When you give, And if people hold their hand like this, that means they bless you. That's the way to give. And in a certain sense, some amount of anonymous giving or doing things that change societies, doing things that leave a lasting impact, and even if it be creation of businesses, creation of jobs, right? Creation of sustainable institutions that last beyond you, is the best way that you can contribute to India.
Keep your headphones on. Fill your ears and minds with melodies of optimism. Turn out the critics and the cynics, the naysayers, people who say ye nahi ho sakta hai, and treat them as noise cancellation. Dance to your own music and take some risks in life, because it is often the risk taker who changes the course of history, who innovates, who creates something the world desperately needs and contributes to the well-being of millions of lives. Put on your running shoes, but remember that personal and professional success is not a sprint, but a marathon. We are lucky to be living in a dynamic world where anything is possible. But it is important to remember there are no overnight successes. You will need to be dedicated, single-minded, and there is no substitute to hard work.
It's not what can be taught or not taught. It's how do you develop the hunger to learn? And I think that the Reliance DNA is really reverse, right? In terms of saying that when you, and to my mind, a lot of it is connected with my father's philosophy of saying always keep the average age of Reliance at 30. And I think that what I have noticed over now, next year I finish 40 years in Reliance. So I am fortunate to see a journey all through these 39 years. What I have learned is how do you build the hunger to learn? And if you actually build the hunger to learn, right, you can pretty much learn anything.